সবাইকে নমস্কার. Good afternoon to all present on dais and off dais. Today, in this program of inauguration and foundation stone laying ceremony of Techno India University, infrastructures and allied facilities at Techno India Knowledge Campus, Tripura. We have with us on dais Sri Kishore Burman, Honorable Minister, Higher Education. We have Professor Shottam Rai Chaudhary, Honorable Chancellor, Techno India University. Professor Manushi Rai Chaudhary, Co-Chairperson, Techno India. We have with us Padma Shri Professor Arunodaya Saha, Professor Dr. Ratan Kumar Saha, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Techno India University, Dr. Dibakar Deb, Principal, Techno College of Engineering, Dr. Shanku Bose, DC, Sister Nivedita University, Shri Supratim Sen, Pro BC Sister Nivedita University, and all the faculty members, distinguished guests, my dear students and media friends. First of all, I would like to extend my sincere greetings and congratulations to all of you present over here, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great honor for me to join all of you today for the formal inauguration and foundation stone laying ceremony of the new infrastructures and allied facilities at the Techno India Knowledge Campus. This event is not just another milestone for an institution. It makes a momentous step forward for the education landscape of Tripura. I think it is a reflection of the growing importance of higher education in our state, and I am pleased to witness this development firsthand. Today, the Techno India University Tripura, alongside the Techno College of Engineering, Agartala, I think it is a home to approximately about 2,800 students. These students come from diverse backgrounds, with many from Tripura as well as other states such as Punjab, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, and West Bengal, and also have students from Bangladesh, which highlights the expanding reach of this institution. I am pleased to note that higher education institutions in our state, including TIUT and TCA, are embracing the goals of National Education Policy 2020 under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji. The NEP aims to promote multidisciplinary learning, then skill development, value-based education, and global preparedness. And it also encourages an innovative approach to education and stresses the importance of preparing students for the challenges and opportunities of the future. The government of Tripura is committed to enhancing the higher education ecosystems in the state. Our vision is to make Tripura a leading hub. Already our Honorable Minister already have spoken about it, leading hub for the educational excellence in the Northeast. We are working towards creating a robust infrastructure, improving faculty quality, and ensuring greater access to educational resources for all students. Our policies and initiatives are aimed at creating an environment where students can thrive, learn, and build a future that is not only fulfilling for them personally, but also contribute to the development of our state and nation. The education system must connect with the needs of industry, research, innovation, and community development. We are proud to see that our educational institutions are increasingly involving students in diverse activities such as scientific research, skill development workshops, legal awareness campaigns, and community outreach programs. These initiatives enrich the academic experience and prepare students for the complexities of the real world. Tripura is undergoing a transformation. Over the past few years, we have seen rapid infrastructure development, then expanding connectivity and new opportunities emerging for the youth. Our government is committed to creating an environment where education plays a central role in preparing the next generation for a globalized, technology-driven world. We know that the major objectives of education encompasses personal development, socializations, economic growth, and the cultivation of critical thinking and ethical values. Through education, one is able to shaping minds for a better future. Education is a transformative journey that shapes the very essence of human existence. Education is the cornerstone of human programs and civilization. I would like to take this opportunity to urge all our students here today to take full advantage of the resources and opportunities available to you. As already have mentioned by our Honorable Education Ministers, already in Tripura we have 3 medical colleges including private medical college. We have 1 dental college, BSc Nursing College, then pharmacology college and more this A&M, JNM institutions. We have 28 general degree college, 6 polytechnic college, 5 professional college and 1 degree technical college, that is TIT, which we are going to make it university also. We have planned and hopefully we'll do it. We have 1 NIT, NFSU, National Forensic Science University, Agriculture College, Veterinary College, then Central Sanskrit University. And we have private university too. There are so many private universities. They are also in pipeline. And hopefully they also will be getting the opportunity to set up their university in Tripura. Dhammadepa International Buddhist University we have, then Aryabhat International Universities, and Mata Tripura Sundari Open University. The future of India and of Tripura rests on your soldiers. You are the innovators, leaders and builders of tomorrow. Embrace every challenge as opportunity for growth and stay curious and continue your pursuit of excellence. In conclusion, I would like to extend my congratulations to all those involved in today's event. I am confident that with continued effort, the Techno India University, Tripura and Techno College of Engineering, Agartala, along with other educational institutions in our state, will continue play a pivotal role in shaping the future of our youth, driving innovation and contributing to the progress of our state and country. I wish the university, its leadership, its faculty and its students a grand success in the years ahead. Last but not the least, I would like to give my sincere thanks to Professor Sattam Rai Chaudhary, Chancellor, Techno University, and Professor Manushi Rai Chaudhary, Co-Chairperson of Techno University and its full team. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
Thank you, sir. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to the